Well, welcome back to the fifth of 6 videos looking at how to launch a traditional project management project. And what we're going to do during this particular video is look at the idea of a management reserve and a scope bank. So management reserve is where you're reserving this 5 or 10% of the project duration, and you're setting it aside as a contingency in case that you run over in terms of accomplishing steps. No one is perfect, and these types of things happen. So you want to build some capability in so that you can handle changes to the requirement that come in through a scope change, and you want to make sure that you deliver the project on time. It really has two purposes. So the first purpose of the managerial reserve is, just as I stated, ensure the project completes on time. The second is if you have a project that runs and everything just clicks in flawlessly, it creates a mechanism by which you can reward the team by giving them some time off at the end of the project so they can retool, re-equip, and be ready for the next project. So you can use it to ensure project completion or reward the team. Now, a scope bank is a slightly different idea. And the idea behind a scope bank is you're going to use a scope bank to store prioritized function and features that are not integrated into the solution. And you're going to use this idea of a scope bank to let the client control what requests come in and are prioritized. So it's kind of a cool idea. So again, you're going to do a deposit of time here, 5-10%, and it's going to process not cope changes, but scope changes, and adjust the schedule. And what it allows is that, again, the client can come in and figure out, what are the requirements that are most important to me, and when do I want them included, given an allowance of 5 to 10%. So they can't come in and change everything, but they can get the most important features added to a project as you're moving along. So again, it controls client-generated change requests to a certain extent. Well, look at that. This was meant to be a short video. It is a short video. And what we've done during this fifth of 6 videos is look at the idea of a managerial reserve and a scope bank, 2 mechanisms for managing scope changes and ensuring that projects complete on time, you can reward your team, and that clients have a say in the prioritization of scope changes that take place, and that they've got an allocation of time that's actually built in, that you're being intentional that scope change is going to occur within the project. Well, very good. What we're going to do during the next video is come back and look at the idea of communications. So keep on studying, keep on learning, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.